welcome back in my new video. Today I am going to show the unboxing of this automatic blood pressure monitor by OMRON. So guys, this is an awesome video and an awesome blood pressure monitor. I am going to explain all of these blood pressure monitors features and unbox this. So please watch this video till the end and enjoy it. Before I begin with this, I just wanted to tell you one thing. Since 2 months I had not uploaded any of my videos as I had COVID. I am really sorry, but now I am uploading videos every Saturdays. So let's begin with this video. Come on. I am going to unbox this. So as you can see, this is our blood pressure monitor. Let us remove it. And this is the blood pressure monitor, and this is our user manual. And let us keep this box aside and let's begin with our video. As this is an automatic blood pressure monitor, this is battery operated. So I just remove it and I show the battery. You can see this. This is the batteries. You have to put 4 batteries each. And this is called the cuff. This cuff should be put to your left hand. It should not be wrapped to your right hand. It should be wrapped to your left hand. Then there is a wire which is being connected to the cuff from the monitor. So I just show the monitoring of this. See how does this work. We have to press this start or stop button, putting this cuff to our left hand. I'll just show it now. So this is our cuff. I am going to wear this like this. You can see this arrow mark should be facing your middle finger. Make sure you lift your arm sleeve to your shoulders and you need to wrap it around your hand. Make sure that your hand is relaxed properly and let's on this machine. You have to press the start or stop button. Do not touch anything or do not shake your body when you have applied the cuff. And you should have the 2 fingers gap in between. Let's start it. So my BP has come over here. It's 103/77. It's a bit low. It happens sometimes. Make sure it is proper and maintain a proper BP. So it's easy, right, to test your BP. It's automatic. That's the advantage. And next I am going to tell about the user manual and all the errors which show up on this monitor. Do not worry, it's all safe. I'll explain it now. What and all are there in this manual. The overall view of this user manual, and there is other side also. I'll explain it both the sides briefly. So as I have showed all the introduction, safety and all, you can see over the view. This is the overview, how to apply it, arm cuff, everything is given over here. Display, everything is given over here. As I have explained you did not need to read this if you have seen my video now completely. and this is the using of your monitor. This is the way you put as I have explained you. So if you have seen my complete video, you will all know about this user manual. I will show all about the errors also now. The other part of the user manual, and you have error messages. Please do not ignore this. Please do not forward this part of the video. This is really extremely important for you if you are buying this machine. Here is the error messages. If the symbol shows something like this in your monitor, please do not ignore it. Get your doctor to your home and get tested of your heart. This means irregular heartbeat or your heart is not pumping properly. There is a remedy given here. To test this remedy before you call a doctor and try it out. If the same message comes again, then please consult a doctor and get tested. Next error goes movement during measurement. So if you are moving your body heavily, this error message shows. You can see this error message. This error message shows when if you are put the cuff to your hand and your body is moving. Please do not move your body. As I said, you have to relax your hand and you have to put it to your left hand itself. The third error message goes here. The cuff is not applied correctly. That means the cuff is not applied or wrapped correctly to your hand, to your left arm, upper arm. Apply the arm cuff correctly. So this is the remedy for it. Try it out. And next error goes the battery is low. The battery is completely low. You have to put some new batteries to it. This is completely battery operated. You can get the batteries in the shops also. You should replace them with the new ones ahead of time. This is the remedy for it. And the next error comes, the batteries are exhausted. That means your machine will not work anymore. It's completely exhausted. You should put a new battery before you start working to it. Comes error message 1. This is the error message 1. This comes on the monitor itself, and this shows that this error depicts that the air plug is disconnected, arm cuff is not applied correctly, air is leaking from the arm cuff. This is the error 1, and the error 2s go over here. Movement during measurement and the arm cuff has not been inflated sufficiently. Then you just try to put the arm cuff again and it may work properly. You have to put the arm cuff properly. As I have shown, you should have 2 fingers gap. Next goes this error 3. Arm cuff was inflated above 299 mm when inflating the cuff manually. This is also something like error 2. You need to put your arm cuff again and try it out. E4 goes over here. This is movement during measurement. This means your hand has been moved or your body is moving when it was measuring. This may show error 4 or this message as well. Movement during measurement, it may show this message as well. So take care, put your cuff properly. And next error 5 goes, clothing is interfering with the arm cuff. That means your sleeve, you have to make your sleeve, push it to your arm and you need not interfere with your cuff. So this is what it shows. And this ER, this was the error 5, and this ER means it's none of our problem. This is the problem with the device. You have to contact your local OMRON. Wherever you live, you need to contact your local OMRON and they will fix it out. And all are given in this manual. And the optional parts are also given. The storage is also given. And many things are given over here. You can see the maintenance. You should not drop it or you should not wet this. This will not work properly the time. The user manual showed. After all, I have explained it completely. Go buy it. The link is given in the description. I bought it from Amazon. Go buy it in Amazon or Flipkart. Both links are given in the description. Go buy it now. This is an awesome BP meter. It helps old aged people or BP patients if someone is at your home. This is a very nice meter and it has helped me a lot. There are some features as I have explained it already. These are the 4 features over here. As the features are given, cuff wrapping guide. It shows how to wrap your cuff, and hypertension indicator. This is also one of the features, and this body movement detection as I have all explained you. And this is the last memory. You can go through it and you can see what was your BP previously when you had checked, and this is the irregular heartbeat. Never ignore this symbol. Consult a doctor. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it with your family and friends. And thank you. Goodbye. I'll be uploading my next video on Saturday. Goodbye.